One of the most disturbing things I witnessed in a nursing home was a PT with no working arms or legs being unable to move at all in a room infested with wolf spiders. When we pulled the sheets back, there were spiders in the bed, skittering all over the place. Please turn this into a script. Title: Infested. Genre: horror drama. Write an updated version that features the PT screaming as spiders burst out of their mouth like something out of a paranormal horror movie. Camera zooms in on their mouth or something writhes beneath their cheeks. Torrent of wolf spiders erupts. Mr. Hendricks lies in the bed. The walls are splattered with dried vomit. Suddenly Hendricks jerks upright. Mr. Hendricks, hoarse, desperate, make it stop. He coughs violently. Blackish blood sprays across the bedsheet. The air vibrates with a scream. Interior room 109. The scream grows louder. Mrs. Keen, her jaw unhinged like a snake, screams. Marcus smokes the joint. Janice, no emotion. Garcia's dead, liver exploded. The scream crescendos, they don't react. Janice mocking. Willow broke, where families trust. She crushes the joint underneath her shoe. Suddenly the scream stops. Silence throbs. Marcus whispers, shit, she's dead. They sprint to room 109. Mrs. Keen lies still, her mouth frozen open, tongue black. Janice checks her pulse, grins. Janice, about time. Suddenly a new wail erupts. The cycle continues. But everyone dies mid-scream. The forever scream isn't supernatural, it's the sound of a system devouring itself, sustained by minimum wage exhaustion and society's empathy. Title: Mid-Scream. A dozen patients slump in wheelchairs, strapped in, mouths agape. The only movement, flies circling a bowl of gelatinous pudding. Mrs. Keen, her scream a relentless scream, her jaw dislocated, pupils blown wide. Mr. Petrovsky, a skeletal naked except for an adult diaper, split at the seams. Since wobbling by his bed, he screams in unison with Keen, a wet, gurgling howl. Suddenly, Petrovsky chokes. He collapses, vomiting a geyser of blackish blood across the floor. His body convulses, still screaming. Shoves a tray of pureed carrots, gray-orange slop towards her. The screams vibrate the walls. Marcus shouting, Petrovsky's done. Dolores, no look, flip spam. Tell Janice, ain't my shift. A fly lands in the puree. Marcus doesn't care. Marcus finds Mr. Garcia, a cirrhotic Vietnam vet, clawing at his throat. His scream is a jagged, metallic shriek. He projectile vomits blood, thick, clot-filled across the room. It splatters the ceiling, the crucifix on the wall, Marcus's shoes. Garcia collapses mid-scream. Cut to interior dorm hall later. This facility is a chorus of overlapping screams. Patients writhe, choke, die mid-scream. Janice, a nurse, strides past a row of corpses, still strapped in wheelchairs, their mouths frozen open. She kicks open room 109. Mrs. Keen's scream is now a subsonic roar, her vocal cords shredded. Janice jabs a sedative into her thigh. Keen's eyes bulge. She vomits a torrent of blood, then dies mid-scream, her corpse still twitching as if the sound continues in her veins. Cut to interior common area climax, a domino effect. Patients begin vomiting blood in unison, their screams merging into a hellish drone. Blood arcs across the room, painting walls, TVs, feeding tubes. Mr. Larson, 90s, dies mid-scream. Mrs. Rivera, 85, claws at her eyes as blood erupts from her nostrils and mouth, her scream bubbling into silence. Mrs. Wallace, 100s, erupts in a blood vomit, so violent it sprays the ceiling fan, railing gore. She dies mid-scream, her corpse still shuddering. Silence fails. Cut to exterior Willowbrook dawn. A hearse pulls away. A new patient, 80s, arrives, wheezing, her scream already building in her chest. Janice and Marcus drag her inside by her armpits. Janice deadpan, welcome to Willowbrook, sweetheart. The woman's scream begins raspy, desperate. Janice smiles. The cycle continues. Text on screen. 48% of U.S. nursing homes are understaffed. 100% of them are underfunded. End credits over the sound of a scream that never truly ends. Note, every death here is a grotesque crescendo. Lives extinguished not with whimpers, but in a vomit-soaked mid-scream apocalypse.